No questions? No questions? 44 seconds. We got stats. We got gears. We got medals. These magic damage. Yes, sir. Ready people? You have questions? No? What a lovely Discord. Beautiful. Who ready?
Ready.
Who ready?
Be ready, ready. Go.
Use your mic, people.
Kakao, kakao.
Okay, start moving. Okay, kill this first MVP. Is this an MVP? Yeah, there will be an MVP. Kill this first. Undead Spirit. Then we're gonna go Undead Spirit upper part. Over here. Look at my mouse. Look at where I'm pointing. Upper. Just go upper. There's a pink area. Check your map. Walk to the next vampire.
Upper part of the
Kill
map.
the vampire.
Fireball.
It's Undead Spirit. Trag kayo to nasa baba. Oh, lusaw. Lusaw yung nasa babang di nakinig sa akin. Kayo ba yun, Trag?
Di po.
Lusaw kayo dyan. Okay, isa pa. Galaw pa ulit. Move again.
Next pink.
Next pink. Next pink.
11 ba tayo?
Holy
11.
shit. How they do it so fast? This is Bubasa. Busaba pala. We clash. Good game. PvP. Pastar. Pastining. Do you know what pastar means? It means more fast. Dracula. Hit the Dracula. Oh, beautiful. Hit the Dracula. Still alive. Chase the pink one. Chase the pink. They are luring the Dracula. Holy shit, these people are so good. They know what to do. Okay, everybody go middle. And then, on your mics, you fool. Walk, my friends! Walk! We're gonna do PvP. Hindi kayo itong nakaiwalay, Trag? Masaya. Sino to nakaiwalay na to?
Hello.
Okay, we're clashing. Clash mid.
Clash.
Hit mid. Tanggalin yung mapa ko, Hindi natin ma-push. Habulin nyo yung horn. Chase the horn. Look at your map. There's a horn. Chase the horn. Keep chasing the horn. We're PvPing while chasing the horn. You're too far. Par. More fast. Keep chasing. Chase the horn. You're so far away, people. Look at your map. Open your map. Check the horn. Chase the horn. Faster. Why are you still at the middle? Trag team. Hit the elemental middle. The rest of you, chase the horn.
Okay.
Please chase the horn. Do not PvP. Chase the horn. Fuck these sub people.
Elemental.
I can see you people. You're not chasing the horn. Hello.
Water.
Keep chasing the horn, bitch. Keep chasing the horn. Look at the map. Chase the horn.
There's so many.
Okay, nice. I am the Valkyrie. I am powerful. I am the horn. Chase the horn. Holy shit, I'm dying. Okay, I don't know. I don't know the skill of the horn. Okay, we're gonna chase the horn again. Keep chasing the horn.
Yeah.
This is a game of chasing the horn. Whoever holds the horn is good. We want to be good. Keep chasing. Please don't PvP. Chase the horn, then PvP. Do not PvP outside the horn. Follow me. Get good.
Teleporting.
Fuck that teleport. He knows what to do. Unlike me. Bubasa has the horn. I repeat. Busaba pala. Busaba. Chase Busaba. Glee, Ace, and the rest. Give us element. We're chasing the horn.
We had one.
Yeah, give me 3 more.
Okay.
Why are you still at the middle, people? What the hell? I don't like it. You people, where's my plus sign? Oh, my plus sign is...
Naka-target sa ano eh. Naka-target sa horn. Nandito.
People, why are you at the middle, people? What the fuck?
Kami lang dito eh. Nawag ko lang.
Hindi, ang sobrang dami niyan, man. 5 lang kayo. Ilang dots nakikita ko sa gitna. Kill the horn, kill the horn. Please kill the horn.
Kill,
Nice
kill,
one.
kill.
Thank you,
Down,
thank
down,
you.
down.
Ano tayo ng ano?
Kanino yan?
Okay.
Ayun, oras na
PvP,
rin.
PvP, PvP, PvP.
Nasa mid ulit yung horn.
Fuck the horn. Ace, nakikita mo yung horn sa gitna? Sino may hawak?
Nakitigila.
Nakikikila.
Okay, moving to horn. Move to horn, move to horn. We're gonna
Ayang,
hold tequila. Chase tequila, chase tequila. Tequila, can you summon us, tequila? Summon us, please, tequila.
Nearest location,
Tequila, do you know how to use the horn? Summon us, tequila.
AP ata yan man.
Holy shit, fucking shit. Okay, nice one. Thank you. Nice summon, nice summon, nice summon. Good summon, good summon.
PvP.
PvP. Now, tequila, as you AFK, move to the tablets. While you're AFK, tequila, kindly pick a tablet. The brown tablet. Do it as your AFK. Do it while you're working. Yeah, do it while you're doing some meetings. Yeah. Do it like you mean it. Protect tequila, protect tequila, protect tequila. Oh my god, tequila, die dead. Okay, chase the horn, chase the horn. Kill the horn, kill the horn. Kill the horn. Nice one, nice one, nice one. We're looking good, we're looking good. Get good, get good. Keep chasing, keep chasing. Apply pressure, apply pressure. Apply pressure. Apply pressure. Apply pressure. Don't let it teleport. Nice one. It teleported. Fuck the shit.
Up.
Okay, we're chasing horn. We're chasing horn. Don't think you do not know what's happening. Think it as you're aware of what's happening. Yeah. This is a good war.
Going down, ito.
Alright, we're chasing the horn. We're hitting the horn. Apply damage to horn. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Keep chasing, keep chasing. Chase the beach, chase the beach, chase the beach. I cannot kill this Valkyrie. He's so good. Chase the horn, chase the horn. Chase the horn. This is the game of chasing the horn. Ship skill, ship skill, ship skill, ship skill, ship skill. Why he's so fast?
Yeah.
This horn guy. Maybe we can just PvP. Do you wanna just PvP? Pack the horn. Do you wanna pack the horn? We are chasing the horn, people. Stop PvPing outside the horn. Go pack the horn. I can see you at the map, bro. You're not with the horn.
Anong ay?
You are all scattered in the map. Look at the horn. Open your map. Do you see a horn? Chase the horn. Nice one. I tried. Sorry, nakalimutan ko yung mga paniki. Nagawa niyo na. They're not chasing the horn. You don't need Commander in Zab if you're gonna do it like that. Okay, let's do PvP. You wanna do some shit plays? Let's do some shit plays. I'm gonna PvP too. I can do what you're doing, people. You don't wanna chase the horn? Yeah, sure. Nobody's gonna chase the horn, bitch.
Baba.
Tayo nasa ka. Pengen akong heal. Give me heal. Heal me, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Medyo, kahit natin. Tatlo lang tayo dito.
Yung si, ano.
Grabe yung points nila, oh. Nasa makikita yung points dito, mga tol.
Sa ano, second tab.
Hindi ko makita man. Second tab.
Bababa ng party.
Baba ng part.
May goal
Okay,
yung
thank
may
you.
horn. Lahat ng pedestal pwede niyang i-activate. May buff yun. So pwede natin salubungin.
Ha?
Tingnan
Yung
mo,
habol
kung
nga,
galing
hindi
sa
natin
activate
magawa
ng
eh. Salubungin pa.
Kasi nga, pwede pupunta niya tong altar. Yung may
Sa altar
pwede
talaga
natin
pupunta
pwede
yan.
sa altar. Kaya nga, pwede nga
Kaya ako nga
siyang-
pinapahabol.
Pwede nga natin siyang tawag dito, abangan kung saan siya next pupunta. Nagigits. Ayun, susunod siya dun sa, ayun, pupunta niya yung upper left. Pupunta niya yung upper left. Pwede yan pwede natin.
Wala
siyang
kasi tayong
abangan
jutsong
dun. Ayun,
ganun
nandun
eh.
na siya agad.
Man, magte-teleport siya dito. paano mo Oh, ito, may tatlo siyang
Sila,
teteleportan. Saan natin malalaman kung
Sila,
saan siya
kaya.
pupunta? Patayin natin gitna. Go mid, go mid. Everybody go mid.
May cooldown yung altar. Kung ano yung cooldown na altar, yun ang susunod niyang pupuntahan.
Kunyari, ito,
Ay,
may cooldown na
yung
segundo. May 3 segundong
Hindi
altar.
activated yan.
Hindi activated.
Kung pupuntahan niya yung lower left o kaya upper right.
Oh, ngayon, paano natin mahulaan kung saan yun? Saan siya pupunta doon?
Ay, hindi,
Kaya ako
activated
chine-chase.
yung babang-baba ng upper right. Ay, lower right.
Lower right, saka yung upper right.
Lower left.
Ay, lower left, upper right.
Left yung active. Ayun, yung pinakababang baba. Yun ang pupuntahan niya next yung dulo.
Hindi, ang problema nga kasi, hindi rin natin sila ma-chase kasi nga, hindi rin naman nakinig lahat. Eh di, PvP na lang natin tong gitna. Kasi hahabol ako dun sa horn. Ayaw nyo naman akong sundin. May ginagawa kayong kakaiba. Eh sila trag lang naman sinabi ko magpanike o mag-demonyo. Tinan nyo, scattered kayo. Ano magandang play dito ngayon?
Hindi ko alam, kung mag-separate ka, mag-delegates ka ng task.
Nakaano na nga si Andon. Sila trag na nga yun. Sila glee na nga yun. The rest nga, sa akin susunod. Ang problema nga, gusto nila ng PvP. Tinan mo, wala silang pa kayo.
Upper left yung susunod to. May up na...
Tara, upper left tayo, abangan mo.
Lower right.
Galaw sa upper
Ano
left.
yung 1 second? 1 second to.
Go upper left. Eh, kukunin niya tong nasa baba eh. Oh.
Ay. Hindi. Cooldown yung nasa baba. Ay, napupunta na
Sige,
siya.
moving. Moving tayo upper left.
Upper left. Activated yung water na altar. Pwede at nang basagin yan.
Nandiyan sila trag. Nandiyan sila glee. I think, ha? Nandiyan kayo, di ba?
Nandito.
O, salubungin natin dito sa baba.
Ay, napapunta na
Find
dyan
an
sa ina.
opening. Wait for the horn. We're waiting. Okay, this is Brynhild command. Look at how this is so effective. Brilliant play by Brynhild. We're gonna
Player
pack the
lang
horn.
yung
Look at
stats
the
ng
horn,
Valkyrie.
people.
Player lang din yung stats ng Valkyrie. Kaya pwede yung patayin yan. Doram yan ngayon.
Okay, Trag. Nakikita mo yung mga paniki Trag sa mapa. Ang dami, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simulan mo na. Thank you. The rest of you, hit the horn.
Clearance, ano?
Okay, we're gonna push down until we hit the horn.
Ay, kabila pa, Trog. Di natin.
Keep chasing.
Panigi na daw eh.
We're gonna chase. You're not chasing, my friend. Saan lakad nito, tol? Inikot niya lang, nag-U-turn. Hindi U-turn to.
Hindi siya makapasok. Pero pwede siyang pumunta ng lower left,
Okay, chase the horn. There's a vampire with the horn. The horn has the vampire.
Mapatay na lang yung horn holder ng...
Oo nga, umalis nga.
Okay, face.
Atin yung key silver, rato lower left.
Ay, sorry, atin pala yun. Okay, thank you. Protect the horn, people.
Gay Silver.
Gay Silver, teleport us, Gay Silver. There's a skill there to teleport. Okay, running.
Already.
Oh, that's not ours.
Kuha nila.
Oo, nakuha.
Wait,
Nandun na sila.
Regroup to horn. Okay.
Tatakbo ulit sa upper left yan, tatakbo ulit sa upper.
Try not to die. Alright.
Lang yan.
level
Dami.
na, Trog.
Sisip-sipin niya pa to, man. May 1 minute.
Hindi.
May 1 minute pa siya sumipsip po.
Cooldown lang yan, cooldown. Cooldown activation.
So, ibig sabihin, AFK lang din tong horn na to. Hindi niya alam ginagawa niya.
Kayo to nasa 5?
Fire.
Wala,
Papuntang
fire.
Okay, let's check the points.
kaya
Points is so very, very far. Okay, go to the pink area. Run to the pink area, people. Check your map. There's a pink area. Thank you. Sino tong nasa element ng fire? Kayo? Trag? Wala na, patay ng vampire. Okay.
Sila ano?
Vampire.
Legit.
Okay, I'm with the horn, people. Thank you.
Horn na tayo. Wala tayong gagawin.
Just open your map, click the horn, then move, my friends. Repair pots, please.
Cooldown yung pupuntahan niya.
Okay lang. Pabor sa atin yan. Chase the horn. Current score is 500,000 versus 600,000. We're close. They're winning by 100. Okay, let's clash the horn. PvP with the horn. Okay, Bam got the horn. Okay. Protect Bam, my people. Then
Teleport
Bam
down,
try
down,
to
upper
teleport
left.
upper left. Everybody go
Lower
upper left.
left.
Can you
Lower left.
teleport? Bam, do you know how to press the skills? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Okay, he's moving. Nice. No, not this teleport.
Nice,
Teleport to pillar.
Wala.
We're already here, Baam. Okay.
Hindi, patay. Ay, hindi, boy pa. Ay, nagkaili siya mag-isa.
Nice one.
Yeah,
That's the teleport I'm
activate
talking about.
activate it.
Everybody, run to the beach.
Go near to the altar. Turn off your auto. Yan, nice.
Nice
Then go to
one.
lower
Nice
left.
one.
Go to lower left.
We're gonna chase Baam people who got questions.
Dumaretso na kayong lower left. Oh, dumaretso.
Everybody go lower left. The rest of you will protect Baam. I'm protecting Baam. This war is weird, man. We're clashing. The rest of you, hold the line. Lower left.
25 seconds yung Dracula, ano.
Baam, do you have the summoning technique or still in cooldown?
Cool down yun.
Ito na, madami.
Oh, we got Feled. Alright.
Feled.
Beautiful war.
Alright.
We understand nothing.
Bro.
Wala, oh. Ano.
Ilang pangalan?
Look at your names. Top 1. I'm gonna show the
Top
name.
one.
Top 1, Helen of Troy. Number 2, Saya.
Base.
Beautiful war. If you had questions, Brynhild. Yeah. I understand nothing.